This is a baby shark. Of all the fishes, sharks have the most teeth. Oh, never mind. Well, I thought that sharks have the most teeth. But I was wrong. Because if we take this shark jaw, turn it around, and look closely, well, the shark does have a lot of teeth on its top and bottom jaw. But take a look at this fish's teeth. You see how it has teeth on its upper jaw, lower jaw, on the side of its mouth, and even on the roof of its mouth. Fish can have teeth all over the place, but which fish has the most? The fish with the most teeth has a forest of over 9,000 needle-like projections, blanketing large areas across its entire mouth. The fish with the most teeth is a catfish.